Our next case will be, we have to draw a triangle when one side and two angles are given. One side and two angles are given. So let's say there is a side AB whose length is 8 centimeter and angle A is 45 degree and angle C is 60 degree. Then we need to construct a triangle ABC. Now firstly, you can observe that line AB is given, so we can actually start with that only, and then we will see what we can do next. So I'll draw a line AB, 8 centimeter. Along with drawing, we can label it. So this is AB, 8 centimeter. Now angle A is 45. So at A, I have to draw an angle 45 degree, but C is given as 60. B is not given. So we can use angle sum property and get the value of B. So by using angle sum property, you will get the value of B as 75 degrees. It means that B has to be 75 degree, A has to be 45 degree. We will just calculate those angles and we will just join them, and then we can get the full triangle. Now to draw the angle using protractor is very easy, but to draw the angle using compass is what we will learn over here. So I'll start from A. I'll take any of the radius as per my choice. That radius should be smaller, okay, not that big radius. And I have to create 45 degree. Now for creating 45 degree, first you should know how to create 90 degree. So for creating 90 degree angle, I will take any random radius and I will put a semicircle over here. Okay, to complete the semicircle on the other side, we don't have to actually have this line extended. It is absolutely okay even if you're not doing it. Then with the same radius, I will try to put more arcs. So with the same radius, one arc will be kept over here. This first arc is 60 degree. I will move the compass needle over here. I will make another arc. That arc is again 60 degree. So now it is, first one was 60 degree, the second one will be 120 degree, and the third one will be 180 degree over here. Okay. Now 60 and 120, the midpoint of 60 and 120 is 90 degree. Okay. So I will take the same compass again and I will put further arcs at the top. So one arc from this side, and the process is repeated from the other side. One arc from the other side, we will take same radius. We're not changing the radius at any place. Another arc. Okay, this line is 90 degree. .45 degree will be the midpoint of 90 degree. So to draw the midpoint, we will follow the same logic. We'll put the compass over here. Any radius of your choice. I'm using the same radius. I will cut an arc over here. And then I'll repeat the process, keeping the compass over here. I will put an arc intersecting the previous arc like this. Okay, we got the intersection point. So that is 45 degree. Now we can very easily just connect it and we will be done with 45 degree. So I will make sure that line passes through that cross and it can go somewhere like this. Okay, now from B, we will be constructing 75 degree. Now this time we have to bisect 60 and 90. So I'll just make this much part. Okay, I don't have to draw even the whole semicircle. This is 60 and this is 120. Okay, this time I will be a bit faster because we are just repeating the process. Another arc above. This is the process of making 90 degree. From the second arc, 90 degree. Okay, so we got 90 degree. And 60 degree is also there. So I'll just make, okay, 60 degree, actually we can skip making it. We'll just use that only. So I'll use the same radius, keeping the compass over here. I'll put an arc somewhere over here. Then I'll keep the compass at 90 degree, and then I'll put an arc intersecting the previous one. So intersecting the previous arc, actually this compass radius has changed, okay, but we have got point of intersection, so it's okay. This is a point of intersection, and from B, the line will go like this, crossing through this point of intersection, and this is the line. Okay, so finally we are done with everything. We have to just write down the lengths, measures of the angles. So angle A is 45 degree, angle B is 75 degree, and this will be C. And just for making sure that whatever we are measuring, whatever we have done is correct or not, you can also measure 60 degree. You can also measure this C. It should come out as 60 degree. Okay, so this is how we can construct a triangle with two angles and a side. And you can see that two angles and a side was given. Third angle we found, and then rest all is just construction.